Hello, Susan.
Hello, doctor.
First tell me how you feel today.
But I am hospital sick. Yes. I wish I could go home now.
Okay, I understand. But first I need to check to you.
But doctor, see, I'm okay and I feel so good. If only I had one member of my family with me.
If you could stay a pair of hours to make an exam, I wish I had done before, but we have a problem with the laboratory.
Okay.
And I would say a nurse to communicate to your home, to ask for a familiar come here with you.
Okay, doctor. I wish I weren't here. I want to be at work or my home with my family, not in the hospital.
Okay. Let's suppose you drive to your work and you collapse. You could cause an accident.
Well, I go walking.
Now, imagine you walking on the streets and you collapse, and there is nobody around to you to help you. Or you relapse in your home alone.
Doctor, I wish I was not taking that in the first place, and I need to go home now.
Yes. I wish I had not prescribed a lot of pills. It could cause a damaged liver. But if you are patient, all will be okay.
Okay, doctor. I will be a good patient, and I try to enjoy myself here.
Okay. Thank you.